Hello friends, welcome to this channel. Today we are going to see how to implement MQTT using Python. We are going to use PAHO-MQTT library for this purpose. You need to install this library first by using the command pip install PAHO-MQTT. You need to install this library using the command pip install PAHO-MQTT. I have already installed this library. So let us see the coding part. I am using PyCharm and let us see what is there in the coding. We are going to implement client from PAHO.MQTT and name it as MQTT. We are going to import time library so that we can add the delay in the application. Here we are going to set some variables. So first of all, broker underscore name. Here we are going to specify the URL for the broker. We are going to use the Mosquitto broker. So URL specified is test.mosquitto.org. We are going to use the port 1883. So port has been set as 1883. For publishing the data, we are going to use the topic underscore pub, topic/pub. For subscribing to the message, we are going to use the topic as topic/sub, and we are setting this app connected flag as false over here. We are going to see the use of this later in the code. We are going to focus on this part. We are forming the instance of MQTT class by using the method mqtt.client and assigning it to the variable client. So name of the client is MQTT. Then comes the callback functions. So we are going to use the onConnect method, and the callback function used is onConnect. So let us see what is there in the onConnect function. So 4 arguments are passed into this function: clients, user data, flags, and RC. RC determines whether the connection is established with the broker or not. So when RC is equal to 0, we are printing that client is connected to the broker, and here we are setting F connected flag is equal to true. Then comes the on message callback. This will be called when the message arrives in the subscribe channel or in the subscribe topic. So argument passed here are client, user data, message, and here we are printing the topic, and here we are decoding the payload in the format UTF-8, and there is a callback on publish, and method used is client.onPublish. Here we are simply printing message published. Now coming to the connection part, we are using the method connect, and here the broker name and port, these 2 arguments are passed in, and then starts the client loop. Now entire MQTT related activities are going to happen over here. When the F connected flag will become true, then the program will come out of this loop, and then we are going to subscribe using the topic client underscore sub. So here the program enters while true. We are going to use the keyboard input over here. So when the keyboard input is not quit, then we are going to publish the message using the topic pub and whatever is being typed. Here we are going to publish the message using the topic underscore pub, and whatever message typed using the keyboard will be published. If the keyboard input is quit, then the client.loop is stopped and the program is ended over here. So this is the coding part. Now let us run this application code by pressing the run command button. So now client is connected to the broker. In order to test this application, we are going to use the mobile app called MyMQTT. You can download that app from the Google Play Store. This app is already open in my mobile. Let us press it over here. Press this setting. Enter the broker URL, that is test.mosquito.org. We are going to accept this port, that is 1883, and we will save these settings. Settings are saved. We will come out of the settings. Press connect. Now app is connected to the broker. Let us set the subscribe topic, that is topic/pub, then add it. So topic got added. Let us come out of the subscribe. Let us go to the dashboard. Now you can see the topic over here. Now coming back to the Python code, let us type some message over here. And press enter. So now message is published, and let us see whether it has arrived over here or not. Yeah. Now message is received by the mobile app. Again go to the main screen. Just press publish and enter the topic. Topic/sub, and message we are going to type over here is hi from app, and press publish. So message is published, and you can see it has been received by the Python application, and we have received the topic of subscription, that is topic/sub, and message is hi from app. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching the video. If you like this video, then press the like button. Please do share this video with your friends, and do subscribe to the channel.